y'all, it's time to cook supper this evening. I'm making a Southwest casserole. We need to cook 2 cups of elbow macaroni and some ground beef. So we'll let that water be heating up. I'm gonna put a little salt in it real quick. I'm just gonna cook some minced onion with the ground beef instead of chopping one, but you can chop an onion or half an onion. We had some stuff left over from grilling last night and pizza's in the freezer because we didn't, we grilled last night instead of doing pizza night. So I thought we might just have a leftovers night tonight, but tomorrow's Sunday, and I would rather cook tonight and have leftover night be tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make this, but if anybody wants those leftovers, that's fine. We'll have this after church tomorrow. I'd rather cook it today and not have to cook tomorrow. So we got 2 cups of elbow macaroni in there. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we'll probably grill something again on Monday. I went ahead and made one of the desserts last night. It's a no-bake Oreo Firecracker Cheesecake. We're gonna start with 6 ounces of softened cream cheese and 10 crushed Oreo cookies. I just put them in this bag and crushed them with a coffee mug, y'all. That's all you gotta do. We'll go ahead and mix those 2 together. Okay. Now we're putting in 1½ tubs of thawed whipped topping, so about 12 ounces total. So this one is a little different than our normal no-bake cheesecake recipe that we make. We usually use 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of thawed whipped topping. This one's a little more whipped topping, a little less cream cheesy. You are?
Yeah. We're getting out the fresh fries. See if we can catch the bass.
Oh, okay. Ernest T's pretty smart. I don't think you can catch him. Okay, we'll mix all that together. That's it. That is perfect. Normally, for this Oreo cheesecake, we would use an Oreo pie crust, but our Walmart was out, so we're just using this chocolate snap crust. We've got some red, white, and blue sprinkles. Now we're ready to put it into the crust. Now we're going to put some of our red, white, and blue sprinkles on the top. And that's it. This is going in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. That thing is good, y'all. I mean, it is really, really good. I don't even like Oreos. Is it raining? Thought I heard it raining. I don't even like Oreos that much, but that's good. I'm going to go ahead and get the other stuff we're going to need. Some tomatoes with green chilies, tomato paste, a can of diced tomatoes, and a can of red kidney beans. We need to drain and rinse these. We're not going to drain the tomatoes though. It does look like it's about to rain out there. I hope this summer is not like last summer was. It seemed like it rained way more days than we had sun last year. I do love a good summer thunderstorm though. Like a quick one, Especially in the evenings or late or early in the mornings. Sit on the porch and listen to the storm roll in. But then it passes by quickly, just a little bit. 15 or 20 minutes. But we can't put an order in for it. Oh, I need to preheat the oven to 375. Almost forgot. Man, I need to turn the light on. A Southwest casserole. Tractor Supply has some really cute patriotic t-shirts. I got this one from there. I think they're somewhere around $10. I'm pretty sure they're $9.99. This one says let freedom ring, and then it just has USA at the bottom. They're really cute. They had a lot of cute ones. I like this one because it kind of looked, you know, retro, vintage-ish 80s style. I ordered some really cute ones for the kids, but they didn't have them in stock. So, well, they said that they had them in stock, but then whenever it was time for the delivery order, they said they weren't available. Manly's has an eagle on it, and it says, I forget what it says. Something about an eagle, but it also looks kind of retro stylish. They're cheap too, they're just like $5 and something. We need ground cumin and chili powder, salt and pepper, and Monterey Jack cheese.
It's almost summer, everybody. We got some fly spotters.
Yeah, definitely need those in the summertime when you got animals around, especially horses.
I'm Grandpa.
Okay, the elbow macaroni is done. I'll drain it. The ground beef is almost done too.
I'm Grandpa.
Grandpa's here again? What are you doing today, Gramps? Just spray in that casserole dish. And we're gonna mix everything up in this bowl. Let me drain the elbow macaroni real quick. Okay, there's that. Now we'll put in the ground beef. I'm just gonna drain it as I put it in here.
Trying to get flies over here.
We'll stir those together. We're putting in the tomato paste. We just need about half of the can. Now we'll put everything else. The kidney beans, the Ro-Tel, great value version, diced tomatoes, some ground cumin, about half a teaspoon, chili powder, 1 teaspoon, and then some salt and pepper. I'm going to add a little garlic powder, just about a 1/4 teaspoon. Now we'll pour this into the casserole dish. We've got the cheese on top. It's going to go in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes.
Yes, that's almost like a chili spaghetti bang right there. I don't even know what to say. That's good.